Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix Cash App the recipient's account is unable to accept payment problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. For the matter, the first thing that you have to do is simply gonna go ahead and make sure if your recipient's account is verified or not. For the matter, both the receiver and you will go to your Play Store and simply type in the app's name and simply update your app. Once you update it, it will simply solve out an unnecessary lag that was happening within the app rather than your account's problem. Once you have done so, if you still keep on encountering that kind of issue, that you have to make sure that your recipient's cash tag number is a verified, cash tag name is verified, and it is correct information that you're adding while trying to transfer the money. So it also depends from the receiver's information. Let them check if they have verified or not, and if they have their linked account with the bank or not. Once we have done checking from both the sides, you're gonna go ahead and re-enter the information and try to do the transaction. If it also does not help, the other thing would be simply for you to contact your Cash App support and tell them regarding the problem and choose another account's information to transfer the money to that particular receiver of yours. So that is the way to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.